Hello, my name is Morgana Marie and I'm a transformational creation facilitator. I help you to shift your beliefs and your state so you can create a soul-aligned life that you love. And that's all areas of your life. This is limitless. So in this video and expansion practice, I wanted to guide you into more openness, more receiving, and creation of your life through pulling energy through your energy ball. So I want you to get a sense of energy first before we even go into the energy ball exercise. And it's important to also recognize any limiting beliefs that come up around this practice. So this practice requires you to be truly present, truly intimate, and in your heart center, grounded. And I'm going to guide you into this state. So just relax, find your own comfortable space and just ground your feet into the earth. Close your eyes and just imagine pulling any walls and barriers down, and anywhere where you've put blocks up around you, a wall up around you, in any way, shape or form, just pull them down. Allow yourself to be truly vulnerable and allow yourself to feel the outside of your body. And just notice there are no edges. I want you to expand your energy out past the room that you're in and past the space that you're in, beyond that space, the town, the city, and expand the energy way, 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 way out. As far as it can go, and go further and go further and go further and go further, and keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. And I want you to open up your hands. You can start off small and you can expand them out. I like to really expand out and move my hands around. But just allow the energy to move you rather than you move it. Just bring your hands into like an energy ball. It's way beyond an energy ball. There is no definition to this energy. Energy cannot be defined as a ball, but it just helps you to get a sense of feeling energy and being able to access your own ability to move and manipulate energy so you can bring into your world what it is you desire. So just expand the energy out, bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And just allow your energetic capacities to express themselves, to extract. Can we download to you that you know that you are a potent energy healer and you have an exponential capacity with moving energy and healing through energy and sensing and feeling and knowing energy. And can we download to you that you know how to move molecules to create your reality? So I just want to get you into the sense of feeling the energy. You might feel dense as you're trying to bring your hands together. You can sense this energy getting denser and denser and denser. And as you open, you can feel that energy expanding, dissipating. So just notice that for a moment. whilst your energy is completely expanded out past the city, the country, into everything that is the cosmos, the seventh plane, all planes of existence. And I just want you to start sending energy out in any form. There is no right or wrong. Sending energy out to all the people, all the places, the spaces, the beings who can contribute to your life in the now and in the future. And keep sending it out, out and out and out, and then feel that energy coming through those people, those spaces, those beings back to you and through you in all directions, through the bottom of your feet and up and down through the top of your head, out the back of your body, the sides of your body, around in all directions. Reverse the flow outwards, receive the flow inwards. Just send that out, keep sending it out, keep sending it out, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. And just notice how much you can and are willing to receive. And let's just pull any beliefs that are stopping you or blocking you from feeling energy, tapping into your own energetic capacities to create your life. And let's download to you that you are a potent creator of your own reality, and that you can and that you are focused with creating it and making it happen with total ease, consistency, discipline, flow. So keep reversing the flow outwards and then draw that energy forwards, receiving it inwards from all directions of your body. Include the earth, the planet, the animals, the water, the rivers, the sea, the whales, the dolphins, the fish, the sharks, the bears, the birds, the insects, the flowers, the grass, the soil. Include all of it, the crystals, and ask for them to contribute to you. And ask them what you can contribute to it too. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. And let's ask Creator to show you what your strengths are, what your abilities are, what your skills and talents are. And any intuitive guidance that you are open to now receive. And then just keep asking for this energy to flow. We are not cutting it off. We are always allowing it to flow in, to flow out in all directions. Exponentially. Keep expanding that energy out. And just release any thoughts, any emotions, any beliefs that make you believe that this is not that easy and it's not that possible and it's not this simple to make my life a success and be this fulfilled with ease. So everything that is story, release it, send that to the light, and let's download to you from Creator that it gets to be easeful, effortless, flowing, and that you are always connected to source, and you are the creator of your reality. And then just bring this energy into the front of your heart and feel this energy ball here. And then just bring the hands together at the heart center and just make a command that you receive money, joy, abundance, love, and all the other energies that you can receive from all sources that are for your highest and best good, in the highest and best way for yourself, and in the highest and best way for others, including humanity. So continue to allow that energy to flow. You can do this practice anytime. I really recommend doing this for like 14 days plus. Do an energy pull every day, and there's downloads to help you to receive. I would love to know what changes for you in your reality, what you start receiving. Please leave a comment below. If you haven't liked or shared my YouTube channel with anyone that you know would benefit from it, then please do. I really appreciate that. I'm here to serve humanity and help so many people to create the reality that they truly desire. And thank you for watching. I'm Morgana Marie.